Hey girls, it's Jenny with Planner Perfect, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you yet another fun planning item that's coming to Planner Perfect this Christmas, and it is our Sherpa bags. Reversible, delicious, just for you, so that you can write a better story, stay organized, and feel inspired every single day. Stay tuned. Okay guys, with the Sherpa bags, I am freaking out. These are actually reversible. I was able to really design the inside that would do a flip out in nature, or you could flip it inside out. This is the inside of a sage green. I'm going to turn you around and show you what that looks like, what actually can fit in it, and how you can actually flip it around and it zips up, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. Branded with my daisy. This is my watercolor daisy charm. It's my artwork on a charm on the bag. Could it be any more cuter? You could use this for absolutely anything. So talk about just being, handy in anything. I mean, you could do it as a makeup bag. You could use it for anything, for travel of any kind, for planning supplies, for pens, pencils, markers, tombos, whatever you want to do. Girls, I just want to make sure that whatever you do it right. And to start out, I'm doing 2 different colors, and then I'll introduce new colors in the new year. And I do believe, and I might be changing this because I think I have forgotten the colors that I'm starting out with, but I think it's lavender and cream. I could be wrong. It might be sage and purple. I don't know. I forget. But either way, you're going to love what comes out. I'm going to show you the construction of the bag. The colors are just secondary to that because all of them are sublime. Okay? I know you're going to love them all. Stay tuned. Here we go. Here are the Sherpa bags. Again, with the Sherpa bags. And I mean, I kind of don't know for sure which one is actually going to be debuting first. I should know this but I don't right now. But I'm going to showcase 3. I have 3 of them here. There's actually 4. I think it might be brown. It is. So I've got brown. I've got this beautiful cream. It's kind of actually a light tan. And then I've got this lavender. So this one's filled. I wanted to be able to show you, and I'm going to be able to show you how they work as 2 bags in one. This truly is quite phenomenal. If you want cuteness, if you want like inspiring things happening in your life, then obviously you're going to like these. As you can see, we've got the daisy. I mean, it's just, everything is just too stunning on this. Now let me go ahead and start with the lavender because I've had this and been using it and it's loaded. Let me show you the inside. Okay, and it's completely reversible. It's fully loaded, very sturdy, keeps its structure. Okay. Okay, so I have like everything under the sun in here. All of my pens, I've got all my markers I use. I mean, it's actually quite messy. It's like my dump all bag. It's actually ridiculous. But that is this bag. I'm not even sure why it's this color that I chose it for this one, but I did. So there's that. Now here is the lavender. Let me show you what I mean by reversible, okay? So I picked the fabric for the inside of this. You've actually got 2 daisies. So as you can see, and then, the Sherpa's on the inside. I need to take this tag off actually. So it's this beautiful tan pinstripe, which I was like, yeah, it's got to be that. Look at this. I mean, what? I'm sorry, what? Yeah, look at it. Isn't it amazing? 2 bags in one, ladies. 2 bags in one. So then we've got this other gorgeous, gorgeous sage. Something tells me that the sage is the one that's coming and not the tan yet. The tan's probably going to be debuting in the winter, more towards spring, but this is, make no mistake, absolutely stunning. Okay, so here we've got the beautiful sage, just like the others. This is the inside. It's pineapple-y with some greens and yellows. Do you see that? It's navy. I love the contrast. I love everything about it. 2 bags in one, girls. 2 bags in ones. One more is coming, and it is a brown Sherpa. Also reversible. You're going to absolutely love it. Girls, let me know. These are hitting the stores this Christmas. Let me know what you think. Stay tuned.